Good morning, it's Maryellen from the channel Maryellen After 60, and I'm in a new place. I'm in my bedroom today. The first thing I want to talk about is the upcoming Today's Special Value on QVC from It Cosmetics. I don't know what the price is yet, but I think I know what the value is. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I received this in the mail, and it's a smaller box than usual. I always lift this out because normally there's 2 samples included, and that's a nice thing. I like that. So these are the 3 products that are in the Today's Special Value. I'm not going to open these up, but I'm going to talk about them. What I want to talk about first is their new matte finish CC Plus cream with a 40 SPF. I have used it 4 times now, and I really like it. I have normal skin, so if you have dry skin, you probably would need a primer underneath it or a moisturizer of some sort, but on my normal skin, it does really well. I just have it on my face, and that's it, just right next to my skin. I don't use a primer. And it has really lasted through the day. None of the IT CC products, any of their foundations, none of them settle in my fine lines or in my wrinkles. It's just, I've been using it for over 4 years. 99% of the time I have on either my CC Plus cream, my CC Plus powder, or my anti-aging armor. As long as that's next to my skin, I consider it my last step in skincare. So this is included. And I don't know what the price is, but I'm going to guess it's around $40. It's 1.08 ounces, and it comes in the same pump that I really like. And usually it takes about a half a pump to cover my face, and this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to open my IT CC Plus powder. I've purchased 2 of these, and they last a long time. I keep one in my vanity, and I keep one in my handbag, or either in my glove box. But this is the brush I use with it, and I'm going to show you how I use it. I don't know if my face is shiny in here or not. Without the lights, it doesn't look shiny, but I love this brush, and I will link it below because I did look up before I started filming to see if they had any deals on QVC, and they have this brush with another brush for 37 something, and I think this sells for 48. But anyway, I just take my brush, and I don't use concealer, and I will just put it in this area right here, and it lightens it up, and I like the way it applies. I use this only when I need extra sun protection. I almost always put it on my eyelids, and I do have it on today, because it really works well as a base for your eyeshadows, and then plus you get the SPF 50 plus protection. The brush that comes in the kit is the Perfecting number 702 brush. I have received several of these, and I've given them all away because I have a ton of IT brushes, and I've only purchased one outright, and that's a 4-in-1, because the rest of them always came with something I ordered on QVC. So I just want to tell you that. But this is a wonderful brush, and I just didn't need it. So let's talk about price. The powder sells for $35, the brush sells for $48, and I'm guessing the foundation will cost around $40. So depending on what the cost is, and I will put that at the very top link once it's announced, I figure this is about $123 value. So if you are needing any of these products, it would be a good time to buy them. But nothing's a good deal unless you need them. When I was looking at the specials, I'll put a link below that you can click on to see what the deals are. There's a ton of deals on QVC that include the it's an IT cosmetic product and the brush. And most times you can get both items for less than the price of the brush. I love QVC. I do. I always look there first. So I'm excited to see how much this is because I like all 3 items. So I want to talk a little bit about the room I'm filming in. This is my bedroom, and we bought this leather chair. I have one in the living room, and we bought this for in here so I could film when Jim is home, when the TV's on, if grandkids are coming in and out, because where I was filming before, and I still will film there, I do, because I feel like I'm home when I'm filming in that area. So in order to make this a good place to film, I had to buy some light bulbs. And what I bought were 2 of the Amazon daylight bulbs, and they're just on 2 pole lamps that I had around the house. But I'm really happy, and so the light bulbs are 2 of my favorite things, along with the chair. Another one of my favorite things this month has been, and it's just a simple pleasure, I bought a new frother for my half and half. You can froth milk or anything, but mine finally broke. I had glued this on and it finally broke. And I hate to say how much, but I'm thinking this is around $15 on Amazon. But I love it. I have I have 3 cups of coffee in the morning, and I just love frothing my milk. And it's so easy to clean. As soon as I use it, I put it in a cup with just water and I spin it. It spins, it's quiet, and it's kind you have to touch, and I like that because you have control over it. But this is something that just really makes me happy. And the third thing I'm gonna have to put in front of my face, this has been a game changer for me. You know that when I've talked before in some of my do-it-yourself videos, I got one of my cutting boards and I glued a pencil on it at the bottom so I could have a lap desk, and I use it in the living room all the time. But I wanted something a little different. I'd been using that for a long time, and I looked on Amazon and there were a ton of lap desks. And I have it right on my lap, and I've had it on my lap throughout the video. And I think this is going to take up most of the screen, so I'm going to show it to you. The back looks like this, and the front looks like this. You'll see that right here and on the other side, I just glued on something to keep my computer from sliding. This wasn't quite large enough, but it's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. So I can sit in here in the quiet, rock, look at my computer, watch videos, respond to comments, and it makes it really nice. So it's the third thing that really made me happy. The fourth thing are all of my viewers and my friends that watch me. You guys are just the best, and I appreciate you. I say that all the time, but I don't think you have any idea how much I really appreciate you. I was editing this video and I realized 2 things. My face looked super shiny, and it isn't in person. And I put some Maryellen Pore Defender on, but I want to show you the difference that it makes. If I just put, it may not cover it up, I don't know, but we'll see. That's something I'll have to work with. But I forgot to say, this is a giveaway. I'm giving away the brush and the CC Plus 50 SPF Perfection Complexion Airbrush. I'm giving those 2 items away to 1 person. And so to enter, you have to be subscribed to my channel before it goes live, be 18 years old or older. This is an international giveaway. And if you're interested, just in the comment section below, tell me your favorite way to get a little exercise in your day. Just say just say it in a sentence, and I'll know that you're interested in winning. And this giveaway will close 4 days after it's uploaded. And in a future video, I will announce it. Since I'm doing videos on Sunday, it just doesn't always work out. So I'll just do the best I can do, but you know that I'll announce it. Today I'm wearing some earrings that I bought in 1992 when a girlfriend and I went to Hong Kong. And what it means that it's triple happy life. And I had these kind of put back. They're 18 karat gold. That's why they're so yellow. And I just thought I'd wear them today. And these are not my pajamas. This is a shirt. And I'm just not feeling my summer pajamas to film in. I don't love them like, I've got some cute ones, but I don't love them like I love my winter pajamas. And I don't know if I still have a picture to put up, but I truly miss those. Anyway, it is all good. Thank you so much for watching, for commenting, for liking my videos. I appreciate it very much. And I will see you in my next video. Take care. I always lift out the, this is the Heavenly